Yeah, this is unreal. Here's another one of these things. I don't know what those are. Air vents to the underground Swiss civilization. Welcome to day 2 of Auslander Rides. This is actually day 2, part 3. Hope you've gone back and seen the other episodes before here, but this is the conclusion of our second day riding through the Susten Pass, the Gorshin Pass. Gosh, I think we did about 4 passes that day. Hope you enjoy, and make sure you like and subscribe. Here we are, yet another mountain pass. There's nobody coming, honey, so go as wide as you want. Go as wide as you want. Nobody coming, go as wide as you want. Wow. Oh, nobody coming. There's a red Porsche coming, but it's going slow. Just try to stay in your lane. Yeah, very. Stay in your lane. Yeah. Hey, Chica. That's going in the final cut. We're still going up. I'm kind of afraid of the other side of this. right, so we've crossed into Italy. We are now descending down to our hotel for the night. As you can see with the light change, it's been several hours since we picked it up. We went on some of the most gnarliest roads, switchbacks, and I honestly I forgot my top mount for the helmet, so I only have this chin mount, and it completely obstructs my vision down to my speedometer and my map, so kind of stinks. But on those roads, I said, you know what, I'm just taking the GoPro off just so I could see where we were going, so I could call out potential hairpins. But we got some hairpins here to deal with. These are nice fat Italian hairpins. Should have seen some of the ones there before, though. They were so tight, and we were just like going down a cliff on a mountain, and you looked down, you couldn't even see the bottom. It was unbelievable. Oh, this is a pretty bridge. Beautiful Italian church right here. I think Ezio would take a swan dive off that into a hay bale. Alright, so these are kind of what we've been dealing with for about 8 hours today. Yeah, they're a little bit wider, but it's been this. I don't think I've had my bike over 100 today, and that's kilometers an hour. So that's why it's just taken us so long, because we've just been from pass to mountain pass to mountain pass to mountain pass. So Julie says, hey, I think we're passed out, and I have to agree with her. I believe we are passed out for today. But as soon as we take these boots off, take our jackets off, have a nice cold glass of Pinot, we'll be good tomorrow. But yeah, it's been about it's been about an 8-hour day. So, no joke. We are 9 miles away from the hotel, 9 kilometers away. It's going to take us 16 minutes, so you can just kind of gauge the speeds we're going to be traveling at, which is slow. But you just see those mountains in the distance there. So we're kind of headed, I believe we're headed south still. And so that's looking further down into Italy. But as you can see on my map here, we got some more hairpins, or as we call them, spaghetti.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this Auslander Rides video. If you've made it this far, you know what to do. Please comment, like, subscribe, any of those things that you want to do if you want.
More content like this. Nice job, Jules.